All right, so today we're doing a little DIY project. We got these rubber leg tips that will be used, well, one of them will be used for inside. We will be doing that DIY turbo. All right, you guys ready? And then, by the way, you can get these for like $3. I got them from Ace Hardware, but they have them at like Home Depot, Walmart, but let's get into it. So these are 1-inch caps. And basically what I'm doing here is, so this is the air intake. Here's your box. Here's your air intake tube here. You're gonna remove this rubber piping right here that attaches to the air intake. And then that's where I'm gonna take one of these caps right here. And then that's gonna go right on here. So you can see that's nice and snug on there. And what I'm gonna end up doing is, because you do have these clips, which I just use like one of these right here to clamp it down. And then that allowed it to get removed. I'm gonna use that same clamp on my actual tube right here as well, where I capped it. But down here, what you're gonna wanna do with this rubber part is, we're gonna get this removed off of here, right there. So I have another clip down there. It's gonna take a little bit of tug, guys, but finally here we have it. So tube's fully out. With this, some people like to just leave it attached to the bottom, but I fully want this out. So this right here, you'll notice right here, that's your valve that continuously puts the air back into this tubing right here, where it recirculates your air back into your turbo. So this is what's getting removed, so that we can get that sound, you know, from the turbo. So like I said, with this right here, I will end up putting a clip on top of that right here, so we can make sure that this doesn't at all come off at all. This right here, that just stays like that. Air pushes out of there, so you don't really have to worry about dirt getting inside of that, because that air won't cycle into your turbo at all. Any debris, any dirt will get blown right out. All right, so I'm gonna put this clip on real quick. Anything, let's see here. There we go. All right, and then we are just gonna make sure that's flush, and then that will clasp on there, just like that. All right, guys, so that's all taken care of. We got our tubing out, as you see, and then here is the cap that we have capped on now. Now let's see how it sounds. I'm gonna show you both from the outside and then the inside. So let's see. By the way, here's the little LEDs we had installed a while ago. All right, so let's see how it sounds from inside. Sounds pretty nice, guys. But that's the video. If you have any questions, put it in the chat. Peace.